Welcome to my YouTube channel Gamaarz. Today, we get review about baby crib backpack. As a parent constantly on the lookout for innovative and practical baby gear, the baby crib backpack has proven to be a game changer in the realm of parenting convenience. This multifunctional backpack seamlessly integrates style with functionality, offering a portable and comfortable solution for on-the-go parents. One of the standout features of the baby crib backpack is its versatility. This all-in-one solution functions as a spacious backpack, a convenient baby crib, and a changing station. The thoughtfully designed compartments provide ample space for diapers, wipes, baby bottles, and other essentials, while the built-in crib allows for quick and hassle-free naps or diaper changes wherever you are. The ingenious design ensures that parents no longer need to carry multiple bags or struggle with bulky strollers, making it a true lifesaver for busy families. The portability of the baby crib backpack is a key selling point. The backpack's ergonomic design and adjustable shoulder straps make it comfortable for parents to carry, and its compact size means it can be easily maneuvered through crowded spaces. The ability to have a crib at your fingertips, whether you're visiting friends, going on a family outing, or simply navigating everyday errands, adds a level of convenience that sets this product apart. Constructed with durability in mind, the baby crib backpack is made from high-quality, easy-to-clean materials. The crib itself is sturdy and stable, providing a secure and comfortable environment for the baby to rest. The waterproof and wipeable surfaces make cleaning up spills and messes a breeze, ensuring that the backpack maintains its fresh and hygienic appeal even during the messiest of situations. Parents will appreciate the thoughtful organization features incorporated into the design. Multiple pockets and compartments allow for easy access to diapers, wipes, pacifiers, and other necessities without the need to rummage through the entire bag. The inclusion of insulated pockets for bottles or snacks is an added bonus, ensuring that items stay at the right temperature during outings. While the baby crib backpack excels in many aspects, it's important to note that the crib size may have limitations as the baby grows. Parents should consider the backpack's suitability based on the baby's age and size to ensure continued comfort and safety. In conclusion, the baby crib backpack is a game-changing accessory for parents seeking a convenient and portable solution to their on-the-go parenting needs. Its versatile design, comfortable portability, and durable construction make it an invaluable addition to any parent's arsenal of baby gear. Simplify your parenting journey with this innovative backpack that seamlessly combines style and functionality, ensuring that you can navigate the demands of parenthood with ease and in style.